biggest difference between first time and repeated offenders?
So the biggest difference for someone who has never been in trouble versus someone who has prior convictions is it's actually really simple. It's the person who's never been in trouble usually is eligible for probation from day one. So the fear that you're going to go to prison, the fear that, it's going to be a really bad outcome for you, I can talk to a client and explain to them that, hey, that's not really realistic in your case. Unfortunately, for someone who has prior felony convictions, that fear is very realistic. So those clients, it's a much more difficult situation that they face because a lot of the leverage when it comes to trying to resolve a criminal case, that leverage is on the government side because you have those priors, and it makes it so the sentencing range that you face is extremely elevated compared to that person without priors. So I know I say this quite a bit, but it's very important for anyone who's in that sort of situation that you find an attorney who's experienced in dealing with repeat offender cases, because in those cases, yes, sometimes it's possible that you can actually get a resolution that keeps you out of prison. Sometimes it's not. So the question is, what's going to be done to ensure that you get the best possible resolution and that you make the best decision in the case where literally years and sometimes decades of your life is at stake. So most people, I think, understand the significance of that sort of decision. And unfortunately, though, most people don't understand how to kind of vet an attorney to determine who's someone that can help versus who's someone that, they mean good. I'm not saying it because I don't want to speak bad on any lawyer, but sometimes they just don't have the experience when you're dealing with these very serious cases. So it's important, one, when you talk with a lawyer, talk to multiple attorneys so that you can make a decision based off of multiple viewpoints. And then two, see what you can find about these attorneys. So if there's experienced lawyers who've dealt with serious cases like yours and you've seen that they actually get results on these, then that gives you the information you need to make a decision.